G'day guys, welcome to my bedroom weekly cleaning routine. I'm using the Method All Purpose Spray in pink grapefruit. It's a fantastic smell and it certainly feels fresh after I've used it. So we've all been a bit sick, so I haven't actually done this routine thoroughly for a couple of weeks. So I'm going to do it really thorough in Sophie's room, making sure to give the surfaces a really good clean. So her change table, the books and her cot. For the books I'm using a fresh cloth. Sophie likes to pull out her cloth nappies that we use for daycare, so I'm just going to reorganise that. I hope you find this motivating and you enjoy the energetic music.
Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
One, two, three, shaping this destiny. From soil and seed, we come from and will be. And I'm aiming for your soul. I believe I'll make you whole. And I say 1, 2, 3, give your love to me, to me, to me. I hope we break the tide. Oh, if I could be your light. Tonight we're giving, tonight we're hoping, tonight we're living, tonight we're going strong. And together we go high. Tonight we're laughing, tonight we're...
I keep a spare mattress protector and a cot sheet in her cupboard, so when I'm removing these ones for the wash, I've got another one to put on straight away.
go high. 1, 2, 3, power still unreleased. what heaven bleed will make it back to the sea. And I'm aiming for your heart. I believe I hold the chart. So I say 1, 2, 3, give me your love again, again, again. I know the wind is...
Like I said, I haven't done this thoroughly. What I've been doing in the meantime is the vacuum can be on high for 7 minutes with the V6 Animal. So when I'm vacuuming in the kitchen, I'll just vac around the house until the vacuum dies. And that way I find that I've still been able to maintain the vacuuming, but it hasn't taken up a lot of time.
And together we go high. Tonight we're laughing, tonight we're loving, tonight we sparkle, tonight we dance alone. And together we go high. I hope we break the tide. Oh, if I could be your light. Tonight we're giving. Tonight we're going.
So Sophie's room's finished, so on the way out I take the washing, put it in the washing basket and then go up to our room. So our bedside tables, it is amazing how dirty and dusty they get. So using the same surface cleaner here, I give that a good clean.
Tonight we're living. Tonight we're going strong. And together we go high. Tonight we're laughing. Tonight we're...
Hope you're cleaning as well. Let's enjoy this song and I'll speak to you after it.
Break it down to a second, a millionth of a dream. Go, go, go for the limit with the power of believe. Just soak it up like a flower, like a summer field, aching to be healed. Just rain on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace. Lift me up the ceiling, up and away. Fly me over the rivers, over open seas. Bring me to this feeling, up and away. Cross the sky like a comet, like a shooting star. Do what you gotta to be true to who you are. You're calling me like the rainbow, fill me with your spark. Take me from the dark, so shine on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace. Lift me up the ceiling, up and away. Fly me over the rivers, over open seas. Bring me to this feeling, up and away. nothing that way. Fly me over the river.
I would have loved to have done more of the skirting boards in our bedroom, but I only give myself 30 minutes. That's it, no more. So I'll just have to do it next week. I've also done a kitchen weekly cleaning routine. I'll leave a link for that in the cards and the description box below. Let me know if you want to see what I do on the other days. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Bye.